Hi everyone, this is EA. Here we have an important lecture. Words to repeat after me. Published by EA Spoken English. We teach online. In this slide, I gonna teach you how to master numbers. Most of students make many mistakes. Because of that mistakes, people get confusions. For example, if we're gonna say our age is 14, it looks like we are telling the age is like 40. If someone says my age is 18, it looks like someone saying 80. So to clear out, to make difference, to differentiate such mistakes, to root out the confusion of the people, we should make clear pronunciation. Here I'm gonna tell you the tips for such mastering numbers. Let's have a go. The first tip is that number that is ending with 0, like 20 or 30. How to pronounce these words? Now listen me carefully. People mostly saying it 20 or 30, 40, but the real pronunciation is 20. If you're gonna say 20 with the practice for lots of time, you can become perfect for speaking such words. 20. 30. Just add D between T. Do not say 30, say 30. So you might become a native speaker. 40, 70. Over here we have some exception. Do not say 50 or 60. We should say 50, 60. So the red one is exception. Do not say 50, just say 50, 60. And next is 70. Then 80 and 90. Again I'm gonna repeat this counting. Any number that is ending with 0, we should pronounce 20, 30, 40, 70, 80, 90. Tip number 2, the number that is ending with th, like people mostly they gonna say 20th, 90th. If we're gonna enhance our pronunciation, we should say 20th rather than 20th. We should say 20th. The tip is we need to put e between 0 and th. That becomes like at. So we should say 20th, 30th, 40th, so on like that. If I repeat this, listen the pronunciation: 20th, 30th, 40th, 70th, 80th, 90th. So the last tip that I'm going to tell you in this slide is number that is ending with tn. Over here, any number that ends with tn, we should put stress over the last tn, like 14, 13, 15, 16, 17, 18. So that was a tip for those. When you're gonna pronounce the number that is ending with tn, put stress. If you're gonna pronounce any number that ending with th, we should say at, like 20th, 30th. The last thing, if any number that is ending with o or 0, we should say 20, 30, 40. We should put d instead of t. So that's all for now.